In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money just by listening to videos using this app. So if you are here and you like listening to music, or in your free time you just listen to music and you are looking for how to make money or benefit from it, well, this particular video is for you because I'm going to show you this app that will pay you just by listening to music. Only what you have to do is to follow me to the end of the video for you to see how this app does and how you guys to make more bonuses from it. So without further ado, if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to get subscribed and turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. I know by hearing that you will get to make money just by listening to music, what will come to your mind is that I've seen this type of video on the internet or see it on YouTube, and only what they say is
we can create wonders. Yeah, it's a successful again, a town hall different from Blue Bulaba.
well, that's not it, because this particular method I'm going to show you is legit, which me and myself have tried it and it's working. So what you have to do is to follow me to the end. Do not skip any part, because I'm going to show you how you guys to make a free bonus or a free premium plan that you guys to use to earn more money in this app. So without further ado, let's go. Welcome back. I'm going to go over to my screen to show you this app and how you guys to do that. So over here in my screen, this is Having Radio. Having Radio is the app we got to use in here. Having Radio is the app that will allow you to listen to music and earn money. But there are things you have to do for you to be able to make money in Having Radio. Number one, listening to music and earn money. So you have to see it's not available in laptop, but I'm going to use my laptop because I have application that can convert my apps to original, or I can convert my app to my Android app to my system app. So right here, what I have to do is to open my BlueStalk. So here in my BlueStalk, you have to see that I'm in the app right now. For you to be able to register in this app, it requires you to do what? To use your email address to register automatically. And when you register, what you definitely see is this particular menu. This particular face is what you will see when you just register in the app. That's what you guys to see when you just finally register in the app. So what you have to do is click on any of them and listen to music. Let's just say, let's listen to this actual any music. Let's just click on this. It will first of all bump out ads. This app is where the app guys to make some cash. Like, is this ads that will pay them, then they will use that money they paid to share with you. So you listen to music and then you earn money from return. So when I skip that, you have to see that congratulations, you receive your reward. Do you think the app is worth of 5-star? So this is it, and this is the music. You can give them feedback. That doesn't. So this is the music you guys to listen to. Here is the wallet. Here is where you guys to see your bunch of transactions, and for you to be able to withdraw from this platform, you can withdraw through PayPal, you can withdraw through Amazon, you can withdraw through Ever's Cash, you can withdraw through Coinbase, you can withdraw to a lot of particular websites you can withdraw to, and which is cool. And for you to make 0.01 USD, it will take you 10,000 coins. For you to earn that 10,000 coins will make you that. Currently, with the two music I just listened to, I've been able to earn 1,200 coins. I didn't listen to the music for very long. I just click on it and go out. Click on the ads and go out. Then I've been able to earn that. So if you can be doing it and be doing it continuously, can definitely reach the threshold. So this is it. This is the actual place I'm talking about. This place is where you guys to earn a lot of money from, and I'm going to show you this website that will allow you to promote this app in your website and make money in return. Only what you have to do is to wait. Follow me to the end of the video for you not to miss this app or this website I'm going to use to promote it. So here is other places special offered by gifts. 10,000, 10K coin is equals to 2 million. So you have to see everything. These are the offers that is in here. So right now, I'm going to involve the website I'm talking about. So the actual website we are going to use is two. There are two websites we got to use in here. Coral is a digital website that can help you get millions of traffic in your links. So what you have to do is to write attractive top articles that can convince people to use the app. So let's just type in Coral, and when we click on Coral, it will take us to Coral browser. So number two, I'm going to involve this website I'm talking about called ChatGPT. So when I click on ChatGPT, what I have to do is write out articles articles on how to make money with this. So let me say write. So what I have to do now is write an article. Okay. I know that this will not work definitely because I have go out of something. Let me just check. Okay, you have to see right now that this is writing in here. Are you tired of not having enough money to pay your bills or in jungling with your hobbies? Do you want to make some extra cash in your free time? Look no further with Giving. So you have to see Give, the innovational new platform that allows you to earn money while also making a passive impact on your community. So this is it. It's writing this for us. What you have to do now is to go over to this this app and copy our link. When we copy our link, if you see here, they say invite friends. For every legible friend we will pay you 10% of the amount of their cash out. Invite your friend as soon as possible and earn as much as you can. Your friend will also receive a reward of $0.02. Go now and invite your friends. So when you register with the link in the description, you will get this in your account. So bear that in mind. So what I have to do now is this. I have to go over to this place and check when this thing is still writing out. So since this thing is writing out, let's say that this I've already written well. So let's see that right now that this have already given us a good article we can use to promote this our link. So what you have to do is to copy this article. When we copy this article, I don't know, this thing is still writing though, but let's just do this to bypass our time. At least you guys are understanding me. So copy it and then go over to Coral. Create a post. You have to create a post, then paste that stuff, the article, and then write in there. So after that, you have to see that this is giving us a good impression. So what I have to do now is to copy this actual link and then go out to the website to paste it there. So you can register your account with this link. So then you have to paste the link there. When you paste the link, it will definitely show that then you have to post. So people will get to see your articles written, and it's a good article. They read it and then will be interested to register. They will definitely register with this actual link you just send. And whenever they play the game, you can just sit back and start making more money for free for yourself. And that's it for today's video. I believe this video will definitely work for you. And once you put more interest on doing it consistently, listening to music, you'll be able to make that cash. So I believe that this actually work for you and work out for you. And if you like this video, kindly hit a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Peace out.